Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com. This is pretty simple and straightforward. Just follow my steps. First, navigate to the board that you want to duplicate. Click on these three dots right next to it, and then this will pop up this menu and you will have to click on duplicate right here. Now select a new board name, so this will be the name of your duplicated board, and simply choose what to duplicate. So it could be board structure only, board structure and items, or board structure, items and updates. Then if you want to keep board subscribers, just select this window. If you are done, press duplicate. Now as you can see, your board has been duplicated. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.